I'm Jess. I am the primary school chaplain at CCAS, and this is...
My name is Lily, and I'm a chaplain assistant at CCAS.
We are very excited to be here with you guys today, and we'd like to invite up a couple of other special people. So in the primary school each year, we all the year sixes get given a job, a role in the primary school. And each year I get given 4 students to be chaplains assistants. And so we've got 2 of our 4 kids here today that are going to run a game. But before we do that, I thought we'd ask them their names and what they've loved most about being a Year 6 chaplain's assistant. So introduce you guys.
My name's Tyler, and I probably like doing the WOSEs and just being involved in all the games.
Yeah, my name's Bailey, and I like the WOSEs as well. It's really fun.
Awesome. Well, we'll hand over to these guys. They're experts at this point, and they're going to do a little game with you guys. So if we've got some slides, I think, for them. Yep.
So we're going to finish the Bible verse, and we need some people, some volunteers. Come on, Noah. 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 It's fine. Okay, so what you got to do is finish the Bible verse. Could we have the first one up? Okay, for God so loved the world that he gave his one and only Son. Okay, what is it?
Shall not perish but have eternal life.
Correct.
The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want.
Yep. For my yoke is easy and my what is light.
Okay. Burden is light.
Right. Okay.
I am the way, the truth, and the life.
Yep. Okay, I can do all things through Christ who...
Gives me strength. No.
Is that right?
No.
Yeah. One word.
Gives. No. Strength.
Yep.
Just as you did to the least of these, my brothers, you did. To me?
Yep.
For me. That counts.
For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord. Plans to...
Prosper you.
Yep.
In the blank, God created the heavens and the earth. Beginning.
Thank you guys for playing.